The history of YHL Group can be traced back to the 1950s. In 1950, together with his mother and three brothers, the founder of YHL Group, Mr. Yu Chai-sing, had started paddy planting work to earn a living. In 1970, Mr. Yu set up his first rice mill in Kedah. With hard work and dedication, YHL Group has emerged to a group of companies with rice mills and processing plants located nationwide. Year 1998 was another milestone for YHL Group. YHL became the subsidiary of Paddy Beras Nasional Berhad or Bernas, a public-listed company in Bursa, Malaysia. YHL further expanded into paddy contract farming, rice milling, rice processing, and wholesaling of rice. YHL has rice mills located in Perlis, Kedah, and Selangor. Its supply of paddy is secured through contract farming with paddy farmers in the surrounding areas. The land is first leveled with the leveling machine. After preparing the land for planting, the imported planting machines will then take over the planting job. Seedlings are loaded into the chutes on the planting machine, and claws at the end of the chute will plant the seedlings into paddy field. This technique will speed up the planting process as well as gives a better yield to the paddy field. The crop will take approximately 110 days to ripe. The combined harvester will harvest, thresh and clean the paddy plants, leaving behind the loose straws in the paddy field. Paddy grain will then be transported to rice mills for further processing. Paddy grain will go through the drying process. YHL uses the rice husk-fired cogeneration power plant to generate heat for its drying machine. Dried paddy will go through quality check before being sent for husking, paddy separating, and polishing processes. Stringent control is always exercised to ensure that only selected milled rice is sent for further process. YHL has 5 rice processing plants located in Kedah, Selangor, Johor, Segamat, and Terengganu. All processing plants employ top-notch processing technology from Japan. Apart from processing local rice, YHL processing plants also process rice imported from Thailand, Vietnam, Pakistan, and others. These rice are imported directly via the parent company, namely Paddy Beras Nasional Berhad. The process plant is divided into 3 stories, of which each story will house different set of machines. The heart of the processing plant is the computerized control room where each process can be controlled with a touch of a button. The plant is also equipped with dust aspirator system to ensure that the plant is free from dust and bran. Rice processing involves several important stages. It is divided into 5 major sections, which are pre-cleaning and destoning, polishing, grading, color sorting, and auto-packing. First and foremost, rice is unloaded into an intake hopper. Later then, rice will be sent to the Satake air screen cleaner from Japan to separate out fine dust and sand through a set of movable screens. These are done through 3 aspiration units which have the capacity of between 15 to 17 tons per hour. The next process is destoning process. Satake destoner will remove small stones, fine sand and even nail to ensure that these unwanted impurities will not end up on our dining table. After destoning, clean rice is sent for polishing. Rice will go through 2 passes at the Satake wet type polisher until it achieves a clean look. Satake wet type polisher uses filtered water to clean the rice. Polished rice will then be separated using the Satake rotating shifter and the Satake length grader to distinguish broken rice from whole grain. Graded whole grain and 3 grade of broken rice will then be stored in 5 different tanks. Graded rice will then pass through the Satake color sorter to detect and reject discolored rice, glass, plastic, or paddy. The Satake color sorter uses the laser eye to scan through each and every grain of rice. Any grain which does not fulfill the required specification will be rejected by the sorter. YHL employs fully auto and semi-auto packing machines to pack its rice. This will reduce the chances of rice contamination at the packing area. Packed rice will then be sent to the stacking area and is ready for delivery. Due to the stringent quality control employed by YHL, YHL was awarded the prestigious ISO 9001-2000 Quality Management Certification in 2002. In the same year, YHL received the 5S Award from Burnus. The hygiene and cleanliness of YHL products are also proven by the award of Halal certification. In addition, the popularity of YHL products also led the company to achieve a Superbrand and Pilihan Burnus Award in year 2004. YHL markets its rice under well-known names such as Sunflower, Royal Umbrella, Sakura, and Saga. Rice packed by YHL includes Super Thai Wangi, Super Thai Import, Thai Super Special, Red Rice, Growing Rice, and others. In order to deliver the best products and services to its customers, YHL will continue to exercise stringent control in its supply chain. YHL will always adhere to its slogan, which is the best quality rice.